Hello everybody, thank you for watching the video. Today we're going to do some maintenance, a 4-letter word, on a wheelbarrow. I'm going to show you how to change the tire. I'm getting sick and tired of putting air in it every single time I got to use it. It gets used daily, so it just gets old putting air in it every single day, and a couple hours later it's out. I changed the valve stem. I should have made a video on that. Super easy, super sweet. Worked a little bit better. Had a tear in it. The tire just actually dry rotted pretty much. I put some slime in it. It seemed to work, but over time it just lost it. So instead of buying another quart of slime for $10, or actually a pint of it for $10, I think they got them on sale at Walmart for like $25 for a gallon of no-name stuff. I found a donor tire off an old wheelbarrow. Pretty good shape still. The frame rotted out on the wheelbarrow. This one's got the green valve stem, so if you know anything about looking for wheelbarrow parts, that means it's got slime built into it. It's been sitting for a while. I'm taking it apart. Got a couple basic tools here. Hammer, needle nose pliers, flathead screwdriver, a 1/2-inch wrench in case I need to loosen a bolt possibly. I don't think so, but we'll see. Just going to hammer it out this little Jesus clip. Got it out. That tire's off already. Put the Jesus clip back in. You know why they call them Jesus clips? Because when you're messing with them and you're taking them apart, and all of a sudden it goes flying, you can't find it. You go, Jesus, where did it go? So now you know why they call them Jesus clips. So I got the tire off. I probably bought this like 8 years ago at a local home improvement center, and still holding air. This guy put air in it about an hour and a half ago, and it's already low. So we'll get started. It's got like a little so I can get out of my pocket. It's got a little cotter pin in it. I got to straighten it out to get it out. A little cotter pin, bend it straight. I'm going to try to save it, so I'm going to reuse it if possible. I might get lucky, I might not, we'll see. Gotta make it a little bit more straighter. Comes out. Cotter pin. Saved it. Oh sweet, I can bend that, just I don't have to use the other wrench. I'm going to have to give it a little persuasion with the hammer. In case you're wondering, this is how they learn in NASCAR. This is your first start towards becoming a career tire changer for the NASCAR. You can make a lot of money at it, but unfortunately you got to practice a lot. This tire is a lot nicer. It's got a grease point on it so you could grease it. Grease is the mechanic's best friend, I was told. I don't believe so. I say starting fluid is the mechanic's best friend, because if it don't start with starting fluid, you got some problems. So I'll slide this on. Okay, she fit good. That's a positive. Definitely. See if that little clamp lines up the hole. Yep. We get the rod back on. Everything's looking good. I have to put it on its side a little bit because I gotta tap this through a little more in this tire now. A little bit of extra room in there. So I get that cotter pin back on. If I can find it now. There she is. Take your little hammer. Try it from this side, didn't want to go through all the way. She's not cooperating. Sometimes it doesn't work for you. Sometimes you gotta figure out how to make it work. Get a bigger hammer. There we go. Went through now. Take your little screwdriver, stick it in there, bend the cotter pin, so that way it won't fall out on you. And your tire will come off. And you'll be back down to one wheel again. So I do like these two wheelbarrows with the double wheels, I should say. The double wheel wheelbarrows. They work great. I use them daily. This one's made by Landscaper Joy. I use it for everything except concrete. I never did any concrete work with it, so I'm not sure. But other than that, it's a pretty good heavy-duty unit. It's about 5 years old. Keep these things out of the sun. They last a lot longer if you keep them out of the sun. Sun's hard on everything. Makes your wood dry out quicker. Fades your paint. The sun is very, very tough on everything. So thanks for watching the video. Tell your friends. Please subscribe. Leave me a comment down below if you like. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one.